next question is from Gabrielle Trino, and she asks, I've been working on honing my niche description, thanks to you. Is it clear who I'm describing? I help tired, stressed women who put everyone else first and themselves last to feel like they can breathe again.
I would say that's what I would call a good big circle. It's a good ideal client. It's a good general sense of who you're trying to reach. And there's probably some smaller circles within that. If you go to marketingforhippies.com/puttering prep, I would answer those questions that may help you hone in a bit. Can you read it one more time, Betty?
Yeah, so she says, is it clear who I'm describing? I help tired, stressed women who put everyone else first and themselves last to feel like they can breathe again.
Yeah, I would say that's, you know, with niching, there's kind of shallow and wide and narrow and deep, and that one's in the middle, but a little uncomfortably in the middle for me. I think most life coaches could do a write-up that's almost identical to that. I think if you went down to the harbor and you said, hey, here's who I am, here's what I'm struggling with. Are there any boats that can get me from this island to the island I want to go to? There'd be thousands. So then there's a need to hone a bit, either on who you're reaching, the who, what, where, when, why, and how. Yeah. So it's who you're reaching, what you do, where you do it, when you do it, how you do it, why you do it. It's still a bit nebulous to me. It's a very good start. And there's probably some more digging to do and choices to make in terms of, out of all those women, you know, like imagine this, that you had a stadium full of 60,000 women who are all that exact situation. They're all craving that thing. They're all struggling with that. And I said, you get to ask 5 clarifying questions, 5 kind of filtering questions that would help make sure that whoever was left at the end are super perfect for you. So what's another series of criteria that you would add, and make them good, not things like they're ready to do the work, they're ready to change, they're, you know, all that stuff, because that's again fairly generic. But you might get some help with that in the puttering prep exercises around honing your ideal client. So that's what I have to say there.
Yeah, great. I love that idea of just imagining that there's an endless supply of people waiting.
Right.
Really takes the pressure off, doesn't it? Okay, Gabrielle, hope that helps.